Sakubona mfundi, let me teach you how to talk about eating yesterday, today, tomorrow, into the future. So want to use this one verb, ukudla, which means to eat. Want to use it to help you understand the Ndebele tenses, all of them, right? So you can start with, I am eating, right? Ngiyadla. If you want to simply say, I'm eating, okay? I'm eating right now. Ngiyadla khathesi. Right. But if you want to mention what you are eating, here is what you say. Ngidla umumbu. I'm eating maize. All right. Ngidla indumba. I'm eating beans. Ngidla inyama. I am eating meat. All right. So let's find out how to say that in the past. So the Ndebele past tense is divided into two. If you're talking about yesterday or earlier today, here is what you'll say. Izolo ngidle umumbu. Yesterday I ate maize. Izolo ngidle inyama. Izolo ngidle indumba. Remember, beans. Okay, so in the same way, if you're talking about earlier today, you say, for example, in the morning I ate, ekuseni ngidle umumbu. Ekuseni ngidle inyama. Ekuseni ngidle indumba, beans. Right. However, if you're talking about a day, 2 days back, 3 days back, going backwards, further down into the past, here is what you say. For example, if you wanted to say on Tuesday, I ate maize. NgoLwesibili ngadla umumbu. Alright? NgoLwesibili ngadla inyama. NgoLwesibili ngadla indumba. Alright? Let's add a bit of flesh there to the meat. You want to tell us exactly what type of meat you ate? Here's how you say it. NgoLwesibili ngadla inyama yenkomo. I ate cow meat, beef, right? NgoLwesibili ngadla inyama yembuzi. I ate goat meat. NgoLwesibili ngadla inyama yenkukhu. I ate chicken. All right. So are you understanding the tenses there? So in the past, just if it's earlier today or yesterday, ngidle. However, anything before that, even if it's last month, you're going to say ngenyanga ephelileyo ngadla umumbu. It's still ngadla. Even last year, ngomnyaka ophelileyo ngadla umumbu. All right. Then the future is straightforward. It's where you simply say, I will eat this. All right. For example, kusasa ngiza kudla umumbu. Ngiza signifies I will. All right. Kusasa ngiza kudla inyama yemvu. What are we talking about? I will eat sheep meat. Okay. Kusasa ngiza kudla inhlanzi. What's that? I will eat fish. All right. Kusasa ngiza kudla isichwala. What are we talking about? Tomorrow I will eat pap. All right. So in the future, it doesn't matter if it's tomorrow or it's next week or it's next year. It's the same thing. Okay. For example, next week I will eat. Next week I'll eat what? I will eat porridge. All right. Ngeviki elizayo ngiza kudla ilambazi. All right. Ngiza kudla. Next month I will eat sem. Ngenyanga ezayo ngiza kudla ichagada. Next year I will eat I'll eat what? Mushrooms, right? Ngomnyaka ozayo ngiza kudla amakhowa. I will eat eggs. Ngomnyaka ozayo ngiza kudla amaqanda. All right. So I hope this makes sense. I hope you're understanding the different tenses there. We'll obviously be getting into them one by one in future videos so that you get more and more practice with each tense, right? And you say the right thing. So let me see you in the next lesson.